Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where maximized window won't drag in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, obviously, if it's a system issue, then the first approach will be with an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to prevent windows from being automatically arranged. How would you do that? So here's what we have to do. Search for control panel in the Windows search bar and open control panel. Go to ease of access center.
Always scan this section.
Click on make the mouse easier to use and then check this box, prevent windows from being automatically arranged when moved to the edge of the screen. And the last solution is obviously to turn off snap windows, and that will take everything to the traditional mode. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, and in the right pane you can select multitasking and then turn the switch off for snap windows. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.